I'd like to welcome all my media friends to our office for this special press meet. Uh, we have convened this press meet for a very special issue, which is very much dangerous for our district, especially Karbi Anglong. The issue is but before going to the issue, firstly, I would like to appreciate the government of Assam for the eviction process that has been carried out at Sonapur under Sonapur Revenue Circle uh, of the tribal belt, uh, and we also hope that the same process will be also carried out in Karbi Anglong in the PGR and VGR area as well. And I do hope this process will start soon. I hope the High Power Committee in the last meeting, they have brought out some uh, process which we expect to be implemented very soon. So, coming to the point, as we have seen, recent sporadic incidents against minorities in Bangladesh, uh, we have, and also violence for the past 1 year in Manipur. We have got reports that there are some uh, unknown people coming to Karbi Anglong and are now uh, reported to be settling down in Singhason, Konbamon areas, and also in Difu area, especially in Panbari and Rongnihang 2 and Khotkoti, and also in Langsolet Bolangfer area. In the recent past 3-4 days, we have also apprehended some immigrants from Bihar, Manipur, and also from other districts like Dhubri, who have been evicted in elsewhere or due to the violence. They are trying to settle down here. In the case of Bolangpur area, we have apprehended uh, 4 people from Bihar who have obtained a domicile certificate and IDs, fake IDs, I would say, fake domicile certificates and fake IDs being prepared and made in Karbi Anglong by some unknown persons, which we have already reported to the law enforcement agencies. And we have also got reports from Khotkoti areas and from Difu areas where we can see that some suspected people who have entered here from uh, Dhubri and Sonapur area where the eviction has happened. And talking about Singhasan and Konbaman, we have got reports that people from Manipur are entering and capturing our hills. So we, the Karbi Students Association, would like to apprise all the citizens of Karbi Anglong to be very much vigilant about such influx and report us as soon as possible if they see any suspicious movement inside Karbi Anglong. Now, the Karbi Students Association has decided to go for a visit to those areas, and with the help of the local people, we would try to identify those illegal influx over here, and we will try to deport them as soon as possible. No, nevertheless, they are Indian citizens, but they are here in a motive to stay permanently out over here. So I also appeal the citizens of Karbi Anglong to do not facilitate all those suspected people in their places. We have got reports that in the area in Difu, uh, most of the local people have facilitated them in their land to settle down those people in lieu of money. So I request them to just vacate those people and not let all the suspected people without the verification. So we will be also talking with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council day after tomorrow, and also the district commissioner after meeting with the council authority. Uh, we have also one another appeal to the authority of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to expedite the payment of the pending salaries of the teachers appointed to TET. Our students are facing problems, as well as our teachers are also facing a lot of hardships. And now, as most of some of our teachers have boycotted their classes, it will be a very great hamper for our students, as our half-yearly examinations are also approaching. And I assure all my teachers, dear teachers, to uh, call off their boycott so that we can work tandemly, and we are there with you, and we will be approaching the authority again. This is not the first time, but we will be approaching the authority again, and we are very much serious, and this cannot be happen any longer. We cannot prolong this issue, because without pay our teachers cannot go to the school as well. But thinking of the of our future of the students, we also appeal at teachers to resume their classes, and then come to us. We will have a discussion again, and we will fight for you, and we assure you that you get paid at the earliest. And we would be demanding the authority, council authority, to clear the bills, to clear the payments of the teachers within the stipulated time of 1 month. Uh, so with that, we conclude our press meet, and if you have any questions, identify bangke IDs. IDs because Ladakh domicile kali bula Ladakh IDs kali dei raton. Even if fake sitame like identify un Ladakh IDs kusame. Then most of them doesn't have the IDs from here. Bahara pensi, Hong pensi, latum ID, Hodak Hong ID sangse. See, we can identify them very easily. And now reports nang lebom lo, penahan reports nang leder the PC nitum pini tong sekot Central Executive Committee meeting padosi. Lahai reports in chapsi niltum lang lo, je niltum step kedeng bangke penatan pangcheng lo. Because penaan nang dudolo rong so tumas sinang pulo umane thelong le pin lang mune tatum si haladak sinang do lo, and dak kedutang atumta kacirabdun kumane do ko kacirabdun kumane do ko long le ke pek pendang lo halang li tuman hem ki chiki ma abar sai pianta dak lokel atumta hat hidung do asila son atuman tum identify bom lo ne bom lo alis long bom lo long lab ajat lab pilote we will take a very drastic actions, even if it's our own people. Don't say metang munit basta may alang lito man action na nako. Because there are some land holdings nil tum beta long beta ta nam documents along lo agreement long le agreement dak padupan 40 years 90 years until lease period son ko, and they are not the citizens of Karbi Anglong. Alang litum Karbi Anglong so kali sistem alang litum han la an nan kan long le list ki pike lage long le ke pe kateng lo asin litum identify bom lo long bom lo. It's very serious no, it's very serious, and non marke jasme pet bangke pudam palam ni muncai akai tum bangke non ladak panbari pen da purong ni hang tu another bangke kelesi dotulo non bangke.
Illegal migrants bukan di basic area long tadi institutional area illegal migrants up to a process bagi non dulu. It's a continuous process. Lapan lagi pasta dulu, non dulu, future dulu bumi. Kasi so permanent solution mana tu pilih tidak mungkin mana nanti ije kalau di council tu cakap nanti. So nanti tu pilih permanent solution lah. So permanent solution nanti ya orang cuma tekan tu.
Permanent solution ke daw
Time permit.
inner line permit is not possible in Karbianglo. But we have demanding special teman status abang ke na pining ko jale. Si non jasme pet bang ke ilitum non problem min ke hedung ke dak local atumasi ke paddo. Jong si local atumle adima klong pekpe lote latum dak sepathiri ajakong bedensi. Lapen kala dak rong along stame rong rublong stame alang litum pawang nang padunang le pula so a mentality bang cebar betik tak bang ke ilitum sumpi kala